Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're going to learn that how you can recover your disabled Discord account. So keep that in mind that if you have disabled your account, it is a self-disabled, not disabled by Discord. So this method will work on it. So all you need to do is to go to the login option. Here you need to enter your email or phone number associated with your Discord account, and then you need to enter the password. So I will enter the phone number in the password first, and then I will show you. So guys, once you enter the phone number or email and the password associated with your disabled account, all you need to do is to tap on login. So once you tap on login, they say account disabled. You cannot use it while it is disabled. So all you need to do is they say return to login. You need to tap on restore account. So once you tap on the restore account, they will ask for some permission. And as you can see, that's it. Your account has been restored. It is that simple, but keep in mind that it only works on the disabled account which you disable it yourself, not by Discord. So if it is disabled by Discord, you need to go to the support center. From there, you need to fill in a form, and you need to contact the support center, and then they will get back to you with a reply that whether you can recover your account or it will remain disabled. So guys, this is all it takes to recover your disabled account on Discord. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.